Alright, what's up guys? Today is a very hot day. So I'm out here in Montego Bay. We're at Harmony Park. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a swim. It's a good look. You know, we have more space, more. Alright, take a look at this. Look at that. There's no one here other than a small amount of people and security guard. So let's just take a walk and let's talk, I guess. So at least now you guys will be seeing this place currently under construction. I don't know how it gets this way. I don't think people jog this much to keep uprooting these tiles, but yeah, it happens. What we're gonna do is just get ready. It's pretty hot, even with the cap on or the bucket hat. It feels worse with the hat on actually, and I don't know why I have it on. I just need to go over there and get my sunscreen and hit the water because this isn't working. Outside right now on Friday, January the 10th at 11 o'clock in the morning is way too hot for my comfort. But you know, today's a special day because we don't really go out, especially to the beach. So we're gonna take this way. Yeah, so we don't really go out, so I'm just gonna make this day something special and just do a picnic as well. We do have beach towels. What I'm gonna do is just use it as a blanket. Nice place. I think I picked the coconuts before. Anyone else get the chance to? I think there's some on there tree, but they're not big enough. We're gonna meet up with E, and then she's gonna go change while I watch the stuff, and then here she is. There she's not me. I'm gonna go this way, try and show you guys a little bit more. It's too hot. Way too hot to keep walking around. So I'm just gonna do what I can. This place is pretty hot, but that's pretty wet. But yeah, it's the truth. There's more water. Emergency gate. The kids area. You got your swings, slides, and whatever that is. I gotta try this. This must be hot as hell. Well, it's not that bad, but it's definitely hot. This is the administrative office. I had a birthday party near once, which every spot they had was filled, so I had to do it inside, which I really like because we got to use the AC instead of just out in the sun. This grass is pretty wet. It's a good thing I didn't take off my shoes before. I didn't see the sprinklers go off, but I would assume that the sun would have dried out by now. I don't remember what the name of this company is that they do excursions, and it's pretty fun. They do parasailing over there. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's the boat right there. I'm gonna go a bit closer. They do parasailing, banana boat. Oh, it's Kelly's Water Sports. I did it last year. I did the parasailing, the banana boat ride. I didn't do the glass bottom. I think it was just going out while I was going out, so the timing wouldn't match. So I just did what I could. Because I had to go other places. And you got a parking lot right here. It's nice. Cement walkway. I think this is one of the birthday spots as well. You can reserve. And some other parts of the lawn. I'm not gonna go too close, but I'll go close enough. So yeah, let me try and get closer. That's the place you made reservations. Then you head down there and get your life vest fitted, and then you head down to the water. Then on the boats, they will bring the boat closer to the shore. They don't have a dock, but they make do. Like the sand is a pretty good stretch of sand that accommodates everybody, so you don't really need a dock. Then you go out and enjoy. I really recommend the banana boat ride. It's pretty fun. Even the parasailing, but if you want a rush, then that would be it. Let's go down the grass. Yeah. Was that wet? Yeah, it's wet. Weird. I like that. But it doesn't look like everything else. I like weird spots like that. Oh, and you have Devanos, or all your dairy and non-dairy needs. Oh, that's new. It looks like they're vacant, so I guess they're no longer here. Those other two places wasn't. They were occupied before, so I'm not sure what that would have been. Could have been. And this volleyball area is where we had where we stood for the fireworks, or was it down a bit more to those chairs? It was night, so I'm not sure, but it was on the sun, that's for sure. But I have a feeling it was somewhere here. I think we were sitting there and just made our way right here. Ready? Ah. Alright, so we're gonna go change and we'll go from there. Why? Just apply the sunscreen and we look like a cloud. So I can say look like a Roman idiot. White. But that will show you the worst part. Yeah. Look like folio.
Guys, they want watch white chicks yet when they spray paint. The black nigga them. That's how we look. Especially my foot. Gee.
Hold on.
They put them white. White. I take bleaching and they go wrong.
And you go right?
Wrong.
Alright, you go.
Wrong.
no swim zone, so why they hold on. I'm coming from down there. I forgot to flip the camera.
And then the type of people that they wear.
Yeah, man. Like when they finish,
When they finish, they don't
they're gonna look the same.
They don't soup wet.
So I'm sure you want to use this one.
Yeah.
Keep your water coolish.
Find a perfect spot. Look at spot, guys. It's about the towel. Sprinkle on top.
Like a sprinkling toilet.
Sprinkle it on top. Like salt.
Such is life. Hey, but you know, you just got this white. But I don't spend the extra money and buy the other one. You have some say no shine and some say some other stuff. So
First your fart. Alright. We need to hydrate myself before when I water the place. And I come out back in there.
oh my god.
Take a picture. But if we go see everyone else, we can go by.
No, I'm not keep it. I just want to look at it. I don't think that's not right.
Yeah, breeze cold, but this one's hot.
Oh,
What do you think?
that exactly what I think is cool.
So what are we doing with it? The pants white? Have you on your video? Oh, I'm going to white. You have my stuff before you come out of jail.
You look like this?
Hey, you look too bad now. Never mind.
Yeah, be tied at an angle. So put it way up on your hip. And that is it. Water feel good. But boy, to reach inside of the water, a pure stone. It wasn't like this, but I guess because of construction. Yeah, but it kind of don't make sense because the construction not happening right here, so
Water move, you know. So it's going to move.
the sun moves.
Water move.
Water moves the sun. So the sun can't be slow. Oh yeah, this is the construction zone. Yeah, you can see the tractor. X. Alright. Yes, that's why I'm hot. Because the water. Alright. That's it for now. Alright. So, we've been in the water for about an hour and a half. It's now 1:12. So yeah, we decided on going to get a chair because we just have our stuff down on the sand. So she's going still. She looks like she a big sugar. Yeah, I guess we're staying longer than we expected. So maybe we just what time is it? 1. I have to go to the doctor's at 4, between 4 to 6. So I'm not sure. Maybe I'll stay here until the latest I can stay here without her complaining, and then I'll just head after the doctor. Well, the ATM, then the doctor, because I have to go and get money because I don't have. Oh shit. Hey. Yeah, we're gonna need to move because about 5 or 6 wasps just fly out of the same tree we have a bag at. So yeah. Ugh. Alright. Just leave that where that is. Maybe we'll go to a different spot. Or maybe not. Maybe we'll just coexist. But yeah, it's a nice day. The water is very cold. Well, not cold, but more cold than warm, if you can understand. And the breeze, yeah, it's cold. Weird enough on a Friday midday, basically, with the sun out and still cold. Like I have goosebumps right now, which is good. That's what I came here for the cool or the cold. So yeah. Oh shit. Oh yeah. And there's been a lot of seagulls here. I'm not sure if my phone will pick up the audio without the earbuds, but most of them are gone now, but there's still like 4 here. So that after the about 100, that's what's left. Just 4. And a lot more people. And then we just started out. A lot more people. we're the only ones right here. Everybody else gather in the corner over there. Weird enough, but I'm not one to go with the crowd. I like to stay by myself. Where is she? Up. That's going back. Who's that? With that chair. Here's that. Alright, that's that. Alright guys, so here's the parasailing. I think there was a yellow one up first. I know this one is red and maybe can't see it from there, but believe it will. Alright, that's it. It's 3:25 and we're gonna leave now. We've been here since 10? 10, about 10:20 or 10:30.
10:20, I'm left up here at 10 o'clock.
10:40 then.
Yeah.
And it's not, yeah, 3:26. It's time to go.
Can't tell question it from you.
Why? We did it after nearly beat down the people
Hey, take out soap and everything.
with soap just to get off the sunscreen because the water.
Put it on.
I did. We have some on it anyway, but the water never. The sea water never did take it off. Take a majority, but the face because we never really dunk weird in the water, so the face powder is still on.
But you know, make that sense. Put on our sunscreen. It's still burn out.
Yeah.
Like we still find a way.
She's
black.
way darker than she need. Than she with you.
I'll take a bit of color of fish. I'm going to put there to me have the what kind of shoes that called? Water shoes. To me have it on. It's like it. Shield one perfect part of my foot. So when I take it off, it look like me have on one white invisible socks. Right.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go and get lunch.
No. Yeah, I got class first.
Oh yeah, the doctors go to the doctor, then get lunch, then go home.
And he just said it, you know. And he forgot it. Yeah. Well, you know, we got here and he remember when we reach home.
Can I see
But I might still come
can I see the Christmas tree from here?
Wait.
It is behind the palm tree. So 8 AM, then clock, then lunch, then home. But yeah, that's it for now. So like, share,
Subscribe.
subscribe to me.
Subscribe to him.
I'll see you in the next one.